Hey everyone, it has been a rough weekend over here, turning into a rough week. As you can tell, I got pink eye. Our baby got pink eye. He picked it up somewhere, and despite being super careful, he spread it to all of us. So, not only that, we were actually supposed to be going on vacation to California. We were going to go visit family the day before our flight. He started to show symptoms of pink eye. So we took him to the pediatrician. Sure enough, he had pink eye and an ear infection. So we canceled our flights, of course, super bummed about our vacation falling through. And then we all ended up with pink eye. So it has not been our best weekend. However, the saving grace was eBay. It came through for us this weekend. We had probably one of our best sales weekends ever. So I don't know if people just decided to hop on eBay and shop this weekend, but we are really, really grateful for all of the sales. We had a total of 20 sales, and I know 20 items sold in a weekend is small potatoes for some of you full-time resellers out there, but for us as part-time resellers, we are excited with that number. To put things in perspective, on average, we like to keep our store at around 300 listings. We definitely have goals to get that number higher, but right now, the season of our life and with all of our other responsibilities and jobs, this is what's manageable for us. And so usually on a good weekend, we usually have around 6 or 7 sales. So to have 20 is more than double our usual sales. eBay totally saved what was turning out to be a pretty bummer weekend. So that was exciting. That was the one silver lining. So I'm going to flip the phone around and show you guys what sold this weekend, and then I will break down all of the numbers for you. Here's everything that we have ready to get shipped out today. First up are these Olokai shoes. We paid $4 for these. They're going for $30 plus shipping. Pick these up at a thrift store, and we just accepted the best offer to try and move them. This is the Oakley kitchen sink backpack. Really cool backpack. We picked this up off Facebook Marketplace for $25, and it is going for $75 plus shipping. These Wii controllers were part of a bundle. We've kind of bought several bundles over the past year, and we have lotted some of the items together. These are going for $69.99 plus shipping. This is a really cool vintage hat. This was actually picked up. A neighbor gave it to us. She was just getting rid of stuff and wanted to throw it all away. So she gave this to us for free, and it sold for $74.98 plus $4.99 shipping. So that was a great one. These Wii Sports Nintendo games sold for $24.99 plus $3.99 shipping each. We sold 3 of these over the weekend. And then this is something we picked up at the thrift store. I think we paid $1 or $2 for it. And it is going for $63 plus shipping. Had a little scuff right there, and we did have to buy a charger for it off of Amazon. But even in this condition, still working, which is great, good for good money. We picked up these Nike Pro volleyball compression shorts at a yard sale for $1 a piece. And I was surprised that these sold really quickly. It is size medium, I believe. It sold for $9.99 plus $4.99 shipping. And when I sold these 2 shorts together as a lot, they were both extra small, and they went for $14 plus shipping. So not huge high dollar items, but it was a great bread and butter, moved quickly. I was surprised even in that small of a size that they did really well. This is a charging port for an electric razor. This sold for $24.69 plus free shipping. Another thrift find. We paid $5 for this. It is an Apple Magic Keyboard. It's a little beat up actually, but even in this condition, it sold really quickly. Sold for $94.99 plus shipping. We were pretty transparent with the photos that it was in beat up condition, and even at that, sold for great money. And it sold in 1 day. These are some Athleta shorts that we picked up for $2 at a yard sale. They are going for $14 plus shipping. This is a Free People shirt. It was, I think, $1 or $2 at a yard sale, and it is going for $7 plus shipping. This probably wasn't the best pickup, but so I accepted a low offer just to move it at this point. These are cool pants. These sold for $34 plus shipping. This Padres jersey sold for $39.99. It was $6 at a thrift store. We also love picking up jerseys. This is a Boy Scouts of America shirt. This sold for $29.99 plus shipping, and we paid $6 for this at a thrift store. These actually sell fairly well for us, so it's a good bread and butter item. And there's tons of them where we live currently at thrift stores, so we like to pick those up. These are some Pearl Izumi biker shorts. One thing with biker shorts, you just want to make sure the inside padding is in good condition. This one is in great condition. I don't think these were even worn, to be honest. Sold for $30 plus shipping. This is a Johnny O full zip hoodie. It even has a little bit of co-branding, but sold for $40 plus shipping. We picked it up for $8 at the thrift store. And then last but not least is a really cool Ziggy Marley vintage t-shirt. This one actually sat for a while, but it sold for $45 plus shipping, and we picked it up at the bins for, $1 or so. So this was a pretty cool find. I'll show you the back. So not even in the best shape, but great money. So to break down the numbers for you, cost of goods was $88. Our total sales, gross sales, was $938.66. After fees and shipping, our total profit was $561 for the 20 items. So we are super happy with that, grateful for the sales, grateful that eBay kind of put a positive spin on an otherwise kind of miserable weekend. So I'm definitely grateful for this little side business that we have, especially as a stay-at-home mom. It gives me a creative outlet of sorts. It lets me be my own boss and work when I'm able to work. And, when my kids get pink eye and I have to scale it back a little bit, I can do that. So that's definitely something I love about this business. There are definitely aspects that are hard and I don't love. So yeah, it's not always all roses, but there are so many great benefits to this business. So if you are thinking about getting started selling on eBay, I definitely encourage it. It can be a great side hustle or even full-time job, depending on how large you want to scale it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm so grateful to everyone that has subscribed and commented and watch my videos. It means the world. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I try to put out a video every week. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.